job.
Big black cloud.
Yay! Spencer's first reading to Mommy.
Grandpa says it's something in the
Oh,
rainbow.
Where's the rainbow?
Rainbow.
Oh, yeah. Oh, some more. You did not finish the book. Get the book. You forgot there's one more page. Get the book. Careful.
Grandpa says.
Yeah, Grandpa says, but you forgot this page. After the rainbow, there's one more page.
Grandpa says it's something in the G.
See, I see
Something
that starts with
G.
Ooh.
Grandma.
Good job. Good reading. High five. Yay. One more. High five. Oh, yeah. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say good job.
Good job. Good job.